Level 1, the Army Rangers. You're 19, it's 3 a.m. in a province you can't pronounce. The helicopter ramp drops, you hit the dirt running. You aren't hiding, you're the noise, the sledgehammer. You clear a compound in 60 seconds, high energy, high violence. You do this every night for 4 months straight. You break the door down so the next guys can walk through it. You're the best light infantry on the planet, you're the first one in. Level 2, the Navy SEALs. The water is 50 degrees, your lungs are burning. You've been swimming for 2 miles in total darkness. You aren't a soldier, you're a ghost in the surf. You come out of the ocean, finish the job, and vanish before the guards even find the bodies. Everyone knows your name, but nobody sees your face. You're the ultimate hybrid, land, air, and sea, mostly sea. Level 3, the Green Berets. You speak 3 languages, you're in a village that isn't on any map. You aren't there to kill everyone, you're there to turn the locals into an army. You're a diplomat with a sniper rifle. You eat their food, learn their customs, and lead their revolution. If you do your job right, the US military never has to show up. You're the quiet professional. Level 4, the Marine Raiders. You're a shadow. Born from the legacy of the Pacific, you're the Marine Corps' answer to a nightmare. You operate in small, lethal teams. Recon, sabotage, and direct action. You're rugged, you're versatile. You're the guys who go where the map ends and the trouble begins. You don't need a massive footprint, just a boat and a mission. Level 5, Air Force PJs. Everything has gone wrong. A pilot is down behind enemy lines, he's bleeding out, the sky is full of lead. You jump out of a C-130 into a war zone with a medical kit and a rifle. Your only job, that others may live. You're a world-class surgeon and a world-class commando at the same time. You're the guy the special forces call when they need saving. Level 6, the Night Stalkers. You're flying a Black Hawk 10 feet off the ground in total darkness. No lights, just night vision and nerves of steel. The trees are brushing the belly of the bird. Your job isn't to fight, it's to put the fighters exactly where they need to be, down to the second. Death waits in the dark, and you're the one driving it. Level 7, Delta Force / DEVGRU. You don't exist. Your uniform has no name tape. Your unit has no public website. You're the Tier 1 asset, the scalpel. When the president needs a problem gone, permanently, silently, and yesterday, they send you. You don't get a medal you can show your family. You don't get a book deal. You just get a phone call, a black jet, and a target. Then you disappear.